Friends, good morning to you all, and I hope you have been viewing our views in the WhatsApp for in most of the groups. We've been slightly, bearish, or rather, been sharing that market has been bearish on the Bank Nifty, even on the Fin Nifty expiry, that is on Friday. We said Bank Nifty seems to be bearish. Let me just take you to that. So please trail your stop loss. This is the message. Seeing bears coming, let's be keep stop loss. Now we had shared a call or CE on Film Nifty 19950 call. Uh, we were, you know, we in fact booked some profit initially trail because we keep trailing our stop loss always, or we book half near the first trajectory and make some profit and in fact almost the whole day we were not able to trade much. Though of course we covered that not being able to trade in Apollo tires, Bajaj Finance we had shared from 160 went to 95, Apollo from 390 call went from 8 to 9, 9.25 in fact. And in the index, in the last, we are able to take this trade from 19950 put around 9. Target was 14 to 16. We were able to capture about 18 because it went to 23 plus. Uh, Today in Bank Nifty, at the opening itself, we went for this 44 200 put above 155, and we were able to capture 208. In fact, the high was 230. And Bajaj Auto from 91 it hit 103. We also traded Reliance from 32, it went to 34, and since we trailed the stop loss, we booked at break even. We also went for this 44 200 call 144 and took a bit of small loss. Post that, our 44 200 put became active again. From 44 200 150, it went to 260 and 400 also. So the whole day we were trading, here and there. 4400 put from 170, it had to 210, and we booked some good profit. Let's look at the way the market behaved. This is a market opening itself. We, as I mentioned, we made some profit in this trade. Uh, of course, it made us wait for a pretty long time, and then it went up. We captured few points, about 30, which is not really good in Bank Nifty. Post that was this big fall. A lot of factors triggered this fall. News on the TV, and even, of course, the market was slightly bearish. Uh, uh, we captured from 155, we were able to capture 230 plus. Post that, the market was very range boundish, just was killing the premium. In the case of Nifty, it was a different scenario. It moved back, I think, uh, uh, went above the day high of 19,824. It hit 19,838 also, and post that, gave a fall along with Bank Nifty. Uh, for Nifty being an expiry, we're looking at these two strike prices. 19,700 above 68, we may look at targets of 80 plus. 19,650 put above 50, we may look at targets of 60 plus. Whereas in the base of Bank Nifty today, we will be looking at 44,000 call above 408. We may look at 45, 455 to 470 plus. 43,900 put above 298. We may look at targets of 350 plus. We're also looking at Jubilant. We are looking at the short side 530 put above 11.5. We may look at 13 plus. And UBL 1750, sorry, 1570 put above 28. We look at targets of 30 plus. And ABFRL, we are looking at both the CA and P. How to trade this is to keep alerts, or you can even place buy stop loss order for the strike prices mentioned. So 230 call, if it 4.35, I think, whereas 230 put above 4.1, we will look at entering the trade. Out of pharma, we're looking at 900 put above 19, sorry, 17, we're looking at targets of 20 plus. If you see out of pharma, uh, why I took this is it is trading in a very tight range. Uh, it has made, I think, a good, nice upside. Uh, we are thinking that it may hit the lifetime high, but then it has not. It has been taking some time. If you notice, it is trading in a range as of now, and possibly that one, it may break this trend line, or takes it may even again go back into this range. Most likely, it may go back into this range. We're also looking at Divis Lab. Uh, Divis Lab again, if you if you see, has hit a nice upside and now been moving down. So if you ask my view on the positional front, I think we need to wait. It is not giving a great uh, positive kind of feeling on the charts. Uh, uh, but yes, we will look at alongside of that stock. This lab has found a doji today, so kind of an indecisive candle. Uh, 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 we will see how the price action goes. We look at the big players' trades or data, and then decide what to do on the stock. We're looking at Forge, then we're looking at stocks like Bharti Airtel, also for a good positive move. So let's look at Bharti. Uh, Bharti Airtel is also again kind of been very range boundish, but if you notice, it has been slowly moving up. Right. Uh, this is a really good positive side. It may, of course, again retrace down up to 940 or 920 level, 932, 930 levels, and then post that it may move on the upside. So all depends on the price action, how the big players, how the global scenario unfolds with this Israel, Hamas, and the ongoing wars. So let's pray that all people, the innocent people who've been uh, either affected with casualty, get safe well, I mean, soon, and rest in peace for all the people who, the most of the innocent kids and people who expired in the Hamas hospital. So, having said that, I hope you have a good expiry date tomorrow. Uh, since it is expiry, I also suggest that Nifty is again in a very tight range. Uh, One may look to trade this once it moves above maybe 19,700 levels. And on the downside, of course, we carry one put as a risk. If our other levels come, then we will look to enter. Uh, we may definitely have some bit of a support here at 9640 to 610 levels. So, thank you all for the time. God bless you. Take care.